So hi guys, welcome to Tech and Engineering World by Jason. So today we will do the wiring of this Intex Demand More board. So guys, this is 2.1 board, and one thing more, I have started daily vlogging on my channel. So daily video will be posted on my channel on the regular basis. So please make sure that you just like the video every day. So this is our board guys. So here you can see I have taken one potential meter, 100k potential meter, and I will take 200k potential meters. You can take 3.1 also, but I'm taking both 6 terminals both. So here you can see I have just taken 2 potential meters. Guys, I'll just drop the link of the board and this potential meters in the description from both Amazon and Flipkart. So here you can see guys, our potential meter is here. So the side one of the potential meter, the corner one, will be ground. So we have to short this both terminals, as these are ground. We have to short this terminals. And then guys, this ground one, so the short one is the ground. And so guys, this will be for the volume, and the ground, this is the ground. We have shorted this point. I'm again and again showing you. Then 4 points are remaining with us. The 4 points are remaining with us. Now I'll just take one aux. Here you can see I've taken one aux. So which of the part we have shorted? The side one, the corner one, which we have shorted with each other. So this is the ground, and the ground wire of the aux will go, we will just solder it here on this side which we have joined the 2 terminals. This is known as ground. So we will just join this wire on the ground terminal, and the remaining 2 blue and green in the center, or you can just paste it at the sides. So here you can see guys, the white one I have just I'm just showing you, or the side I have just joined with my hands, and the other 2 on the sides. And the center, it's your choice that you join it in the center or at the side. So the one side is the corner we have to take. So this is the aux is done. Then I'll just show you, when we will just paste the aux, the center one will be remaining. The center one will be remaining, and one wire from the center and 2 wires from the center will go. It will make 3 wires. So here you can see from the center 2 wires will go. So we will just join the ground one, which is coming from the side. So here you can see it's traveling. This is ground 1 wire. This will be attached. The ground will be attached to this. So I'll just show you where the ground will be attached in the board. So here you can see the whole path is the ground. So at ground, here is an filter capacitor here. On the back of Zener diode, here is an filter capacitor. On this capacitor, any plus and minus, you join the ground part of the wire. You join in the filter capacitor of any plus or minus, it's your choice. Then guys, the ground is here. You can see the traveling path of ground. The white one, outer path, is the ground. So then I'll just show you the IC. Here you can see the center 2 ICs. From this, the filter capacitor is on the center. So here you can see the socket which is coming, the white socket which is coming here in near the filter capacitor. White socket is coming, which is containing 5 pins. So the left and right are remaining, and the ground is there. So on the second pin and the 5th pin, I am again repeating, the plus will go on the second pin. Here you can see the upper one will go on the second pin, and the lower one of second will go on the 5th pin. So now guys, we will move to next wiring of this. Now we have done the volume one. Now I'll show you the base. So here you can see, for base you can take both the 3 one also, the 3 terminals one also, or you can take 6 terminals one also. But remember guys, the wiring will be same. Here you can see on the side, on the front of woofer, the 3 are there for base. In the front of woofer, there are 3. So here you can see 1, 2, 3 terminals. So the center one is the ground. And again I am saying you guys, the side one of the potential meter will go to the ground, and the plus and minus will go on the sides of this terminal. And if you are taking off 6 terminals potential meter, so just use the upper part of the potential meter in joining the wires of this. And if you are taking the 3 1, so don't worry, only the upper 3 part will go to the this potential base potential meter wiring. So this is the only main reason that we are using the 6 also. You can 6 terminals one also you can use, or 3 terminals also you can use, it's your choice. Guys, no need to short the ground terminal. You just take the upper part of the 3 wires and don't just solder the wires of the down side. So this was the off potential meters. Now the woofer one I have shown you, which is backside, at the backside of the this base terminal. The 2 wires are going for woofer, so you can join it. At the back is the woofer. So then it comes for a speaker. So here you can see, for our output speaker there are 3 wires, these terminals are given on the back side. So here you can see the 3 are given. So the center one is the ground and the rest of the are plus and minus. Now I'll just show you that how to join 2 terminals of the 2 speakers in this. So I'll just show you the 1 wire of this, the ground. I'll just bring 2 speakers. So here you can see I'm having 2 speakers now. These are big speakers, 8 inch speakers. So here you can see they are having two wires. In each speaker there are 2 wires, 2 to 4. So we will join any wire of the 2 speakers, any wire we will just short the center wire, any you can take, and just mix match with the, just short it. Then the which we have short, that is the ground, and the remaining are plus and minus. So which we have short, it will be in the center terminal. There are 3 terminals, so the center one, the short one will go in the center and plus and minus at the sides. So don't confuse in the wiring of this. Now this was all about our speakers. Now I'll show you. Here you can see I have taken one 12 by 12 3 ampere transformer. So with the help of this transformer we will give the power. So the red wires are taking direct AC power, and the 3 wires which are left, the black one, the blue one, and the blue one, 2 blue and 1 black. The black which is in the center will go in the ground. So here you can see it contains 3 pins. So the center one will be ground, and the ground one of the transformer will go in the center and plus and minus at the sides. So this is the small just wiring of this. Was all guys in the wiring of this demand more board. So thank you guys for watching.